Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander. Today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from your driver's side, you should see this lever here. This will pop that safety loose. That'll open the hood. And if this is having issues, double check behind here that this cable is attached. If that cable's not attached, you might need to address that. Well, the head up front. Now that this hood's loose, you should be able to put your finger in here. And there's a lever right here. So I'm going to push the lever and then lift. So I'll push and lift. And there's an arm here. Try to film this as I do this, but you can use this to hold the hood up. Here's what that lever looked like. Double check nothing's bent or broken. If this is sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. That's where it's hooked onto. And then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.